So for today's video, for the first time on my channel, I'm going to feature Thai products. As in yung mga makeup brands na from Thailand. So kung meron kayong naririnig na, I don't know if you can hear it, na parang music or something, nagzuzumba kasi yung mother-in-law ko and my mom. So nag-workout sila together. Yes, so yun yung tunog na yun. So, anyway, nung mga nakaraan videos ko, palagi tayong Korean style makeup, Korean makeup, and actually yung previous video ko was a Chinese brand naman. So, ngayon naman, magpa-Thailand brand naman tayo. So, isa-isahin natin guys, yung mga kapitbahay natin. So, dahil first time kong mag-feature ng Thai products, nagpunta muna ako dun sa kilalang brand na available dito sa Philippines, which is the products called Mistine. Akala ko local brand yung Mistine, guys. Hindi pala. It's a Thai brand. Oo. Pero made in Korea. Pero under license of Better Way Thailand. So, yun yan. Basta Thai product siya. Actually, marami tayong mga nakikita na, diba, na Thai products. Nikara, Hold Live. Hold Live daw is a Thai product, but it's made in China. And then, Gogo Tales or Gogo Tails. I don't know how you pronounce that correctly. Mapupunta tayo doon. Pero for now, doon muna tayo. Doon sa sigurado talaga. Kasi ito, nasa Shopee to. And para siyang nasa shopping mall. So, it's legit. Okay, guys. Ang susunod na ingay na maririnig nyo ay aking mini electric fan. Okay, anyway, let's start. As I was saying, first item natin is, this is from Mistine Professional BB Gold Wonder Cream. This is the packaging. Enriched with caviar extract, extra brightening formula, natural looking coverage, promote flawless complexion, and the most important is meron siyang SPF 30. SPF 30. Direction: drop small amount on the palm and place a few dabs on your face, then gently apply all over. Pag ganon, pag ganyan siya, pero ilalim pala yung nabuksan ko. So, dapat pala dito ko binuksan. Yung ilalim pala dapat yung binubuksan. So, this is what it looks like. Sakto kaya sa akin itong shade na to. Any good? Alright guys, it's been few minutes na. Parang siyang hindi siya sing like creamy and sing soft ng Eyebrow BB Holic. Kahit anong BB cream, iba yung consistency niya. Para siyang now it looks like powdery matte finish. Oo, ma-powdery matte siya. Tapos hindi siya yung parang lotion type na pwede mong ganun-ganunin. No. Medyo may konting siya, tigas or tag. Like very, very minimal lang. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang mga BB cream. Pero maganda yung finish niya in person na. I don't know if nagre-reflect siya sa camera, but in person maganda yung niya. Parang lapat niya. Now, another thing is, hindi ko alam kung mag-oxidize to, sana. Because it's quite lighter on my, kasi nga, BB cream. But let's wait and see kung mag-oxidize. Next thing I have is the Mistine 24 Cover All Eyebrow Pencil. I got the shade, nope, walang title. Kilik ko lang siya ng bongga. So, etong itsura niya. One side is fully, and then the other, yung mismo product. Pero guys, this is not like a full face glam of Thai products. Hindi mo na ako magaganon doon. Kapakapa muna tayo ng very, very, it's like, ooh, I like this! For today, it's just a pang everyday makeup. Pero, nagsipat-sipat lang tayo ng ilang Mistine products. Kasi, I've been so curious about it for the longest time. Lagi ko kasi siya nakikita sa shopping mall. Dai, gusto ko to, dai! Ganda. Hindi siya super matigas, hindi rin siya super lambot. Madaling i-apply. Ang lambot pa ng spoolie. Bet ko to. I recommend this. Getchingin nyo to dye. Hindi ko lang sure. Nakalimutan ko kung may mga shades M&M siya. I like it. Hindi ko rin naman kayo nakikita guys kasi like overexposed naman ako dito. Pero sana mukhang maayos siya. Let me just contour ng very, very quick. And then, we'll proceed na sa next products. Okay guys, so I don't have a lot of products, like face products and eye products, eye makeup, pero I do have a couple of lip products from Mistine. I actually have like five lip products. Tapos, meron dito gusto ko i-wear test kasi meron akong niswatch dito on the back of my hand. Tapos para siyang transfer proof, kiss proof, ganun. Pero unahin natin ito. This is Mistine HHO or O Mistine. I don't know. Pero yeah. It's a lipstick. Tapos it's so tiny. Diba? It's so tiny, but it's cute. It's a bullet type lipstick. And I got the shade number 3, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna list it down below. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Diba? Ang deep. Akala ko siya, light lang siya. Pero parang nahiwala yung balm. Nakikita niyo ba? Parang nahiwala yung balm. Nainitan. Nahiwala yung balm. Ba't ganun? So this is what the I do believe it's O Mistine, OHH Mistine lipstick. It's very easy to glide, good quality siya, in fairness. Comparable siya. If you're gonna compare it to a local brand, it's not Everbolena. Well, hindi siya local brand. It's more like Maybelline. Parang siyang, hindi yung powder mattes. Hindi rin yung color sensational, yung loaded bolds ng Maybelline. Parang ganun siya. But it's nice. Pero it's not mass friendly. It's a lipstick. Maganda yung quality niya. And it's pretty affordable. Next naman is Mistine Fairy Doll Pretty Face Lip Gloss. Yeah! Oh, cute! Cutie pie! So this is a lip gloss. Mga, may childhood makeup. So, sheer lip gloss lang siya. So, let's try it. Hindi ko sure kung may mga shades to guys Feeling ko wala. Yung lipstick, oo. Pero etong lip gloss, I don't think may ibang shades pa to. I could be wrong. Meron siyang a little bit of stickiness, pero hindi naman bothering. So this is the gloss. Ang lakas lang, maka-fresh. Kung hindi lang tayo required magsuot ng mask no? I mean, kung wala lang COVID-19, pwede naman kasi mawala yung COVID-19, no? Nasa pag-aano lang yan. Product natin is the Mistine Tint Stick. Yeah, Tint Stick. And this is the shade Mistine Rosy Tint Stick. Long wearing formula that leaves lips soft and supple for hours. Makes your lips look so natural and lovely with a tint of pink. Ano to? Lip balm lang ba to? Lip balm lang siya. Para siyang malipe balm lang, I like ko din to. Parang nga siyang it's just a tinted lip balm. Yeah, parang pinky-pinky lang yung lips mo. Pero lakas maka-fresh. I like this. I think it's one of the products that I'll be able to use every day kasi nakaka-moisturize siya at the same time, bibigyan ka niya ng very slight tint that will make you look fresh but not like super duper fully made up. This product is this one right here. This is the Mistine Super Matte Lip Color and I got the shade number 7. And ito ang applicator. Lasang vanilla. Well, hindi ka naman nilasahan. Ano ba yun? Parang aura niya kasi pumapasok sa loob ng bibig mo. I forgot to do the swatch on the arms. Oh, ang ganda, no? First impression, yung formula niya kahawig ng Everblend liquid lipstick, you guys. It's gonna cling to the dry patches on your lips. I can see it over here. Do you see it? It's pigmented. Meron siyang very slight tackiness. I'm not super in love with it. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ito ba yung transfer proof. Alam ko, baka yung isa. The last lip product is... Bakit ito? Iba yung packaging niya. Pero ang pangalan din niya is Mistine Super Matte Air Matte Lip Color. Okay. Ito, Mistine Super Matte Lip Color. This one is Mistine Super Matte Air Matte Lip Color. And I got the shade number 30. Kala ko black na eh. Yung applicator ng liquid lipstick pareho, hindi ganun ka soft. Alright guys, so ito na siya. I know it's so deep. Ang deep pala ng shade na nakuha ko. Ang hirap kasi tignan yung mga shades online. Alam mo yun? But for this one, it dries into matte finish. Kaya lang itong particular shade na to, ang hirap niyang, as I was saying, ang hirap niyang pantayin. Parang medyo patchy-patchy siya if you notice. I don't know if you can see. Medyo mahirap siyang pantayin. Pero feeling ko ito yun. Formula-wise, mas bet ko itong si Super Matte Lip Color. Pero parang mas long-lasting or parang mas matindi. Parang mas matindi, mas kiss-proof itong si Air Matte Lip Color. Sige, ito ang i-wear test natin kung bongga yung pagiging kiss-proof niya. Kasi, you know naman nowadays, we have to wear masks. So, tuloy-tuloy tayo naghahanap ng mga lip products na mask-proof, mask-proof or mask-friendly. Okay? But anyway, so ito na yung ating face for today. Magkakaroon lang ako ng very quick wear test after this part. Anyway, sa mga lip products, ang favorite ko is itong si Balm. Favorite ko ito. I like this. This is so masarap on the lips. Tapos meron siyang parang very slight tint lang. Sa lip gloss din, I like. Sa lipstick, okay lang. I'm not super crazy about it. Sa dalawang liquid lipstick, I like this one better than this one. But let's see if this is very long-lasting. And you guys, itong mga products na nakuha ko, pretty affordable lang siya. I'm gonna list it down below. I'm gonna link everything down below so you can see for yourself para makapamili ka din. And you decide if you like it, if you want to try it or not. So this is just the first Thai dedicated video, Thai makeup dedicated video. I want you to comment down below. I'm pretty sure marami ka nang na-try ng makeup. And baka nakatry ka na rin ng mga Thai makeup like yung Whole Life, Gogo Talis. I haven't. There's so many options, you guys. Pag pumunta ka sa Shopee or sa Lazada, tinalit mo Thai makeup, ang dami. So gusto ko, i-comment mo down below yung na-try mo na at sigurado kang you like it, you love it, and you think, I'm gonna like it, I'm gonna love it, para yun yung bibiling ko, para yun yung itatry ko. And then probably the next Thai makeup inspired video that I'm gonna do, we're gonna do a full face glam. Diba? Why not? Let's share our knowledge. Anyway, next part of this video is wear test na.
Hi! Good morning! Hi! Tatawa sa hikaw ko. Kimi and Machang and Adobo.
Hey guys, so eto na naman po ang last na makikita ninyo for my extra. So, tinanggal ko na yung lippy product because chararat na siya. And the time now, it's already parang magpa 5:30 na. So, here's what my face looks like. Okay, so in fairness naman dun sa BB cream, hindi siya nag-oil up sa akin. Usually super duper oily ng T-zone ko. And this one, this area, the T-zone. And hindi siya nag-oil up. So, I kind of like that. Sa lahat ng mga tinry natin, Thai products from Mistine, ang gusto ko is the BB cream. I like it. And nag-adapt naman siya sa skin ko eventually. Pero the sad part is, I don't know if they have other shades or if, alam mo yun, kapag ka deep skin tone ka, if you're really morena, kung mag-a-adapt din pa siya sa skin tone mo, or if you're like super duper white, kung babagay pa rin ba siya. Kasi yung shade na yun, parang nasa middle eh. But I like the BB cream. I really like eyebrow product. It's not that super duper long lasting, like hulas proof kasi medyo natanggal na dito and everything. But what I like about it is yung application niya. Masarap siya i-apply, madali siyang gamitin. For someone like me, na hindi ako palagi nagsusuper duper plakado na eyebrows, alam mo yun, it's good for everyday. Pero syempre, pag nagagalaw mo yung ano mo, like, ako kasi ganun ako ng ganun. Pag nagkakamot ako ng eyebrows or something like that. So, hindi siya like, katulad nung L'Oreal Unbelievable. It's not that long-lasting. Doon sa mga lippy product na tinry natin, eto na lang ang natira. So, the last two liquid lipsticks yung pinaka-long-lasting. Unless kumain ka ng super duper oily or super duper masabaw. Na-surprise ako doon sa Tint. Ito yung pinaka-nasa taas ng pink. I do believe yun yung parang lip balm na may pink tint. And in fairness, medyo nagtagal yung tint sa kamay ko kung saan sana dumapo yung kamay ko. So, I also like that. I'm not a super fan of the lipstick kasi para lang siyang, you know, Maybelline. So, not that super duper excited. Yung lip gloss, okay na ako doon. Eventually, hindi rin ako parang naging super fan niya kasi baka meron pang other shades. Kung meron other shades, okay, pwede. Pero parang one shade lang talaga siya. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna link all the products down below. Pero parang hindi, nagbago yung puso ko. Hindi ko na super duper like yung lip gloss. Pero yung tint, yung lip balm with tint, and the last two liquid lipstick, I love it. I love them. Yeah, yun yung medyo marirecommend ko kasi affordable naman yung price. Again, if you want to check out the prices, details at the description box. So, what else? I think, yeah, that's it. Yun lang yung mga re-review ko. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you subscribe to my channel and then i-click mo yung bell button. I know YouTubers always say this, click the bell button because it's so important, because it's your way of knowing na yung sinusundan mong YouTuber ay nag-upload na ng video. And sometimes, pag hindi mo kasi alam na nag-upload ng video yung fino-follow mo, hindi mo mapapanood. It's gonna get lost to all the YouTubers na fino-follow mo. Get. So, please, click the bell button for me, please. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!